Well, I was out looking around for that super moon tonight. It's pretty hard to find.
A lot of folks were. A few lucky folks could make it out, but we had a fairly thick deck of clouds up at about 25,000 feet. And so, of all nights, we haven't had this many clouds all week until the night of the big, bright full moon tonight. Some of our viewers did see some, but most of us, like David, saw this. Those high clouds with the moon just barely making it through. But let me show you a photo we have from Liberty Hill. One of our viewers up there sent us a nice picture of the moon as it came up tonight. You can tell there's some clouds there. That's a windmill right there in front of the moon. Isn't that nice? And this one, I had to take off the banner so you could see the moon, but it was kind of pretty. The clouds obviously thin enough as seen from Westlake Hills that we had a nice view of it over the skyline, at least for a period of time out there. We thank Jerry Hayes for sending us that picture tonight. Well, let's talk about these storms right now. I want to take you back on the radar to 5:30 this afternoon. Watch as the thunderstorms begin firing up, how they just remain out over Mason and San Saba and McCulloch County for most of the evening before now finally beginning to take off to the southeast. As a result, you folks had some 1 to 3 inches. Doppler says maybe 4 inches of rain in some areas. We saw one severe thunderstorm near the Mason, northwest Mason County area with some hail, maybe up to the size of a quarter, but it wasn't any real big deal. I think the big danger tonight has been the lightning, and we still have quite a bit on the storm profiler radar. You're looking here at the lightning counter. 489 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes visible in this screen here in the last 10 minutes. That includes from northern Lampasas County down here across Lake Buchanan, Llano County, and down into Mason County. Let's put this in motion one more time. You can see that the activity is certainly weakening now, but it's trying to make some progress to the east and southeast. Unfortunately, we expect it to continue to weaken during the overnight period tonight, but at least you folks out in the hill country, you are getting a little bit of rain. We may not end up seeing anything here in the Austin metro area tonight, but if we're lucky, it may hold together and get in here overnight. The good news is we are expecting some next week. More on that in a minute. We begin tonight with a look downtown. Mostly cloudy. It's 81 degrees. It's a warm Saturday night. By 7 o'clock, it's 73. By noon, it's 86. And we could get back up to the mid-90s tomorrow afternoon. But we could also see a late-day shower or storm again tomorrow, too. Rain-cooled air out here in Llano feels good at 72, 68 in Mason. Low and mid-80s still from Austin eastward where we haven't seen rain. 81 in the city. It's 81 at the airport. High dew points, high relative humidity. South-southeast winds are 6 to 8 miles per hour right now. Around Texas, 80s in most locations. Have some 70s tonight from Houston down into the Corpus Christi area. The little cluster of storms firing on the dry line this afternoon and holding together tonight with a weak disturbance headed our way. Could happen again tomorrow afternoon, and our computer model says a little closer to the Austin metro area, so we are hopeful. On Monday, I think we'll begin to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms form in the afternoon, and then every day next week, we have a chance. Why is that? Well, there is an upper-level low-pressure area that is forming tonight over Southern California that is going to cut itself off from the prevailing westerlies aloft, and those cutoff lows move very slowly. We think it's only going to go from there to there by Wednesday to here by Friday this week. That'll give us several days with some rain chances, and we could see a rainfall totals maybe 1 to 2 inches next week from the metro area back into the hill country. A little bit less off to the east, but look at this. The area hardest hit right now by drought could end up with 2 to 3 inches in the southwestern hill country, maybe 3 plus from Gillespie County, southwestern Gillespie County back toward the Rio Grande. We hope so. Now, we'll probably be tweaking those numbers all week, so it may not end up like that. But if it all came together like it looks tonight, that's what it would be. So hopefully at least some rain in the area next week and some good rain in most areas. Low to mid-90s again tomorrow. Going to be hot again tonight. Cloudy, some showers and thunderstorms trying to get to the metro area. May not make it out of the hill country, though. Cloudy in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon. And then they could fire again late tomorrow afternoon. 20% chance on Monday. Then as that storm system from the west starts getting a little closer every day, our rain chances will go up a little bit every day. And I'm real hopeful that next week we'll even be able to take those rain chances higher.